So Monday morning's price action on the German DAX after the gap higher from President Trump announcing a deal with Iran. Let's see if that actually gets signed. But once again, he comes out with a news announcement or an announcement, and this market gaps higher. They love the news, positive news announcement. So we gap higher, big move higher on Sunday evening, guys, okay? And then we sort of grind higher for the rest of the morning. We did take long side trades on the 1 minute chart at 7:30 in this candlestick here, which was good. But for me, I'm looking at this. When you see a gap so high up, being a trader, I'm looking to reverse that gap. I'm looking to short that market because it is so overbought, okay? And as I said to you in my divergence course, mini course that's on YouTube here, we were getting this massive divergence on the 15-minute chart. We broke new highs. Now, we broke new highs on the 15, which is really important. You have to break new highs to get the signal and the setup to cooperate, okay? So once the setup sets up, I'm just looking for then the trigger. If you sit back and look at this chart, and price breaks higher, look at the storyteller, how low down it is. So what it's really saying is that the price going higher is slowing. So when I see this bearish divergence like this and a gap as big as that, I am looking to take short side trades only, guys, for a bearish divergence. And then you can go down to whatever time frame you want to. If you want to do fast and furious trading, you're down at the 1 minute. If you want to do steady eddy trading, you're down on your 5 minute chart. And here's the 5 minute time frame sell signals. We're just looking for reds here. We're just looking for reds, and these are nice 30-40 point trades to the downside. Last one, entry at 24,980. We're not far away from 885 final target. Now, we are getting a bounce, so these areas here on the left hand side are really important, okay? You can see price bouncing off this area. It's called support, all right? Page 1 of technical analysis, support. We're in an area where it's significant interest here and we're getting a bit of a bounce. Now, you need an indicator or some software that measures peaks. Look at the size of the storyteller here. It's really high up. You see the previous one really high up. I get cold shivers, guys, when I look at and I see an overbought situation like this, especially as a day trader. When it's overbought and the peak of the storyteller is really high up, it's overbought. You know, I'm not looking to go long up here really too aggressively because I know that at some point we're going to come back down. I want to be starting moves at the start of the greens, the small histograms. I want to be shorting at the high of the histograms. Look, it's not for everybody, but if you're some type of trader that likes trading reversals, which I do, because there's so many opportunities and you can get some really big moves out of these reversals, then there are trading opportunities. They are absolutely fantastic trading opportunities. Everyone's buying the market at the highs, okay, and buying breakouts. And let's have a little look. Is this a fake out breakout? Let's have a little look. Let me show you this, okay? So there's a high in the morning session. That's 1 a.m. London time morning. Here's the horizontal line. Now here's the morning move here. You see 6 a.m., 7 a.m. We go higher. We never buy the highs at Trading College. We never buy breakouts. So the breakout traders were buying the highs at 26, 80, 85, 84, 87. Look where it's trading now, 900. Fake out, breakout, virtually every single day. You've got to know where you are in the structure of a trend. And simply saying here, guys, is that it's completely overbought. All pro traders will be looking at this gap thinking that we're going to try and fill this gap. So why on earth would you be trading the breakout? Why on earth would you be trading the break? It's a low probability trade. Now, if you look at this from this angle here, it pushes higher. We have some buy signals, okay? And then it just fake out, breakout, roll over. And look, when people are buying the breakout at the highs, their stops are around here, aren't they? They put their stop just at the swing low. Now, often what you'll see at the highs, you'll see big wide range candlesticks. Big wide range candlesticks. Now, these are the stops being hit from the breakout traders. You can see that liquidity here is all about where their stops are placed. You want to be on the other side of the breakout, okay? Don't get sucked in It's the easiest trade in the world. Placing an order 1 point above the European session high, anyone could do it, okay? But it's probably the least profitable, guys. Be careful with breakouts. Get in the trade before the breakout. Anyway, I'm going off on a bit of a tangent here, but the trade setup for us was that divergence, all right? The divergence and the gap combination was just an absolute beaut today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. You're helping us out fantastically. I've got so many exciting things coming. I want to tell you what it is, but I can't yet because it has not been launched, okay? And I'm so looking forward to giving you that information at some point, all right? But we'll let you know on YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll speak to you soon.